The slice tool. Imagine you're going to create a website and you want to link from an image like this to different sections, like a section on the baby elephants perhaps. Press K to get the slice tool activated, or go to the toolbar here and then just draw around the area that you want to make the link from. And this will slice your image up into an image map with various links, like link to the bird perhaps. There's another bird there, and you can see that it's creating tables with different slices, and each table's got a number by it as well. If you right click in the tables, you can go to Edit Slice Options, and then you can link to the URL of the page on the baby elephants. So that's the way that you'd organize your tables once you've created them using the slice tool. Just click OK for the moment there. The slice tool has a sub-tool, which is the slice select tool. That just allows you to fine-tune the shape of these slices once you've created them, to keep them nice and relevant to the areas that you've selected. And then what you could do is go to Image Ready, and that would allow you to then preview and create links and see what your image looked like in the browser with the slices working. Okay, but we'll not digress into Image Ready at this stage, because this is a tools video tutorial. Okay, but that's the slice tool.